It will do a real quick self-assessment, and it launches straight up, and then it goes out and flies the mission. Hi, I'm Bill Edmondson. I'm the UAV product manager at RDO Equipment Company. I'm going to walk you through the basics of what it takes to get the new WingtraRAY out of the box and in the air for some topography mapping. It all comes in one case, which is really convenient. So you're not hauling around several different cases. The payload, the batteries, the drone, everything that you need is all right here. And it's really well organized. We've got our batteries. We've got the one piece of equipment that you need to add to this side is the fin, and then you've got the battery cover here. It's all in one spot. So all you need to do is just lift it right out. You take the fin, goes right in this pocket right here. Set it down. Now it does have a couple of other components to the body. We do have these side stands here, and they're color coded so that you can put the right one on the right side. We have a red side and a green side. And then the payload itself quickly loads right here, and there's a variety of different payloads available for topography. Very easy to set up and go out and fly. We also have access to the computer system here, and then this unit has a parachute installed, which allows us to do operations over people. The battery compartment's right here, really easy to access. They slide right in, and then they're secure as well. All of the telemetry from the drone, as far as updates and firmware, et cetera, real easy to access. The system SD card is right there. There's an SD card that comes with the payload as well. When you're done flying, you just grab that off the camera. I have a really interesting extra piece of technology here in the nose. This is where our obstacle avoidance comes from. It runs off this system, which is connected right through here, and this really easy to use magnetic clip in there, and it's all in place. So now we're going to go out to the field. I'm going to set it up. I'm going to get out the flight controller, kind of walk you guys through the basics of getting it in the air and doing some topography. Literally, in this case, we're out in the field. The next step is to find an area that's easily accessible, that's relatively flat. We don't have any water, or we don't have any mud or anything that's in the way to keep the drone from remaining stable. You want to set up the drone so that it's kind of shouldering into the wind. If you have the wind coming from this direction or from this direction, in this case, we're really good to go. The next thing you want to do is, if you've got your flight plan ready to go, you can just log onto the flight plan, go through the checklist. It'll automatically roll through that checklist for you, let you know if there's anything that's not really ready to go yet, and it'll give you an option to solve that issue. Once it cleared itself for the checklist, you're going to get check marks and green go on everything on the checklist. At that point, all you have to do is hit launch. It will do a real quick self-assessment, and it launches straight up, and then it goes out and flies the mission. Now, while you're flying the mission, you have 100% access to everything that's happening in the sky. You're going to see the drone moving across the map. You're going to see how many pictures you're taking, what altitude you're flying at, what your ground speed is, what your airspeed is, how fast your battery is discharging, how far you have to go in order to complete the mission. If for any reason you get in a situation where the winds are beyond what the flight plan is able to complete, or if there's high gusts or anything like that, the drone will start to tell you these things, gives you the option to return, or it will return home automatically. If there's any type of danger signs, like the battery's getting too low, or if the GPS is too low, or any type of features like that. So it's really set up to help you be successful regardless of the environment. If you decide to, you can stop the mission while it's in progress, and the drone will just do a nice orbit where it's at. If you decide to bring it back, it'll come back. If during the descent you want to pause, you just hit the pause button and it stops in the air. You can adjust left, right, forward, back, up and down before you land, before you let it complete the landing automatically. Everything happens right here on the tablet. So this is where you do your flight planning. You set up all of your parameters for that flight. You monitor the flight while it's happening, and you also then can, at that point, get it ready for processing. Once the flight is complete, the drone lands, tells me that there was a successful flight. At that point, I can pull the SD card out, throw that in my computer, finish my project, put the drone away, ready for the next day. So now that you've landed and the drone flight is complete and you're ready to go process to get the deliverables on your job site, you have several different options. Wingtra has a program called WingtraCloud that allows you to do some processing online, get your data ready for further analysis. RDO also has a product called RDO AI, which will also process and create those data sets. It has really deep analytics capabilities as well, so that all of your deliverables, your surface analysis, your volumes, your topography, any type of analysis that you want to do of the surface, comparative of changes over time, work site management, et cetera, et cetera. So there's a wide variety of different deliverables that we can give you with that product by RDO AI. Of course, the product that Wingtra develops as far as data goes is completely non-proprietary, so you can also use several other options online as well. It's not a closed system at all, which is what really makes it so flexible. Thanks for joining me today. If you have any questions at all about the Wingtra product or any of our UAV products at RDO, please just contact your local store. Also check us out at rdoequipment.com. We look forward to hearing from you.